Hey everyone, I'm starting off with some contacts in my eyes and I'm going to go straight in with some primer. This is the Touch Clot Pink Blur Primer by YSL. It is one of my favorites and I know it makes my skin pink, but I always cover it anyway. I just love how this makes my skin feel. I feel so rich when I use it. So for this clown's base, I'm just going to be going in with a Makeup Forever color stick. This is just plain white. It doesn't have any shimmer to it. It's just a flat matte white. I'm gonna pop that all over and I'm gonna blend that in. To build up the color, I kept going back and forth with the color and then with using my hands and then with the beauty blender. I want it to be an even coverage, but I wasn't too concerned of it being too perfect. I just wanted it covering my skin, and then I felt like it could have some areas that were a little bit more opaque and less opaque just to make it look more rough. Keep in mind, I'm kind of making this up as I go, so yeah, I'm going to be taking this black tattoo pencil by Maybelline and I'm going to be popping this all over my eyes to give me a really dark, like worn clown kind of look. Also saw this photo online of this person who did a clown and he had like this X across his nose, like the bridge of his nose. I kind of wanted to take inspo from that and like tie both of my eyes together, so I kind of did that. I'm not like doing the X like he did. Oh, if I could find the photo, I'll link it down below. It was super cool. Anyway, so I'm dragging that up above my brow and then down below to my cheekbone and kind of just messing it up as well. Again, I'm kind of as you should do on Halloween, just make it up as you go, and I feel like the more textured and gross and messy it is, like the better it looks, especially for like a worn clown like this. I'm going to be taking another Makeup Forever color stick. This just has a more gray tone, and this is what is going to be my contour. I'm using this NYX contour brush because I just love this brush. I use this brush like literally all the time actually, and especially in my kit. I love this brush. It's very nice. I don't know why I'm so excited about this brush, but I'm using this to just contour my face, and I'm not making it too perfect. Again, it's not like a clean blend, it's a messy blend. At this point, I was kind of feeling a fantasy that I had in my mind, and I was like, okay, I'm gonna grab this, what is this, the NYX Ultimate Basic Vivid palette or whatever, and I'm just gonna go to town with some colors. So this is where I thought I was doing a black and white clown. Now it's like a colorful 80s clown. I started off with blue and I applied that somewhere. And then I'm going in with yellow, and it kind of turned out that I was putting all the colors on opposite sides. So on the blue I did top and bottom, on opposite yellow I did top and bottom. Then I went in with green again. On one eye I did the top on my left eye, and then on the bottom right I did the outer portion of the eye. It was very symmetrical, but still like asymmetrical at the same time, and I very like unconsciously did this. Anyway, I'm also just using what color am I doing there? Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, orange. All of them, a pinky orange. Using this brush and just kind of like popping it on. Again, no blending. I'm just building up the color on certain areas and, you know, blending it out, looking like I've been wet, I've been through a few things, it's been a rough night, it's time for me to go home. I feel like it's like 5 a.m. I need to head home. I did want to jazz this up a bit because I did like the direction that this was going, and please mind all the cat hair, but I wanted to add a little, you know, clownness to this. And usually you see like lines going, but I thought I wanted a negative space, so I'm just taking the milk and applying it from my bottom lash line all the way down through my cheek, and then on the top right through my eyebrow all the way up. Ooh, it looks like a cute little clown. I love how this is coming together. Yes. Because some of those colors dulled down the black, I'm just going back in with that same liner and just reinforcing it just to make me look a little more ratty-tatty. Of course, I need to add glitter. This is an Urban Decay Heavy Metal. I forget the shade. It's silver, okay? It's silver. And I'm just popping that right over top of those little highlights that I did through the colors. And I just think that this makes it pop. I love this. I love a little glitter. For lips, I'm grabbing a NYX lip liner. This is just a nice pink tone, and I'm overdrawing the heck out of my lips. I kind of wanted to do a mix between a clown mouth and like super blown out lips. You know what I'm saying? You feel what I'm saying? I did want to add some blush. This is the Sigma blush palette. I've just been obsessed with this palette, and I'm just popping that on my nose. And I also wanted to do a little cheek action. I feel like maybe I didn't necessarily need to do that, but I thought it would just be super cute. Who remembers this brand? I was talking about OCC lip tars a bit ago, and I was like, oh damn, you know what? I'm gonna put one of these expired products on my mouth. And so that's what I did. I popped it on my lips, and then I kind of played with the shape of my lips a little bit. Oh, got something on your chin there, girl. So I'm just drawing them and kind of changing the shape of them to kind of suit the whole clown theme a little bit more. I also wanted to rough up my lips, so I'm just taking some shadow and just popping that underneath my lips just so they're not so perfect. I bought these little cute fluffs at the dollar store, so I'm just using some Got To Be Glued hairspray to just seal them into my hair. This is my favorite hairspray. I use this all the time. It's the only thing that like cements your hair, and as you can see, it literally glues the pom-poms onto my head. So I'm just playing around with those until I like what I see. I didn't even know I was going to put this on my head. Like, the look I had in my mind, I still might do. It was completely different than how this turned out, but like, I'm living for this. I did want to jazz this up a little bit more, so I'm I'm taking some of the Melted Latex Clear Gloss and popping that on all around my eye area where the colors are, just to add a little bit of different texture and just make it look wet and worn. I also added a little bit of jewelry. I added some fake pearls that I got from the dollar store in the Halloween section. And then I grabbed one of my chokers and added that too. And it's like a real like 80s vibe, and I'm just living for this. I hope you guys enjoyed this little 80s like moment clown. I had so much fun creating it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!